Hi, Bunso Quincy Ann. So, ito na yung request mo, ah. Hope you will like it. Love you. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dear thing you can't claim. But I know every rock, country, and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the blue-corn moon, or asked the grinding bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they were. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hope that never ends. How high will the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue-corn moon, for with a wheel white on copper skinned, we need to sing with all voices of the mountains. We need to play with all colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still